Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. Let's do some housekeeping. Some bit of cleaning up we need to do here. Sweet, so we have our collection, which we can say main collection. Just say main. Beast low poly, and we have this high poly. Double tab and just say sculpt, high poly sculpt, which we're hardly going to use. This is our reference. Remember it. Where is he now? Shame, not even visible anymore. There's our reference, which you can probably delete. It's an empty object. But I believe it's worth saving. Just reload them. Here's our reference. Probably a bit misaligned now because we've done a lot of tweaking going on, but that's the reference. ref, let's just hide and deselect this guy. So we have the back nails and the front nails. What I want to do, apply the modifiers, the mirror modifiers on these guys. So you just press Ctrl A. That has been applied. Should nothing happen here, which is wrong. Yep, so it still works fine. And then I'm gonna the eyeball also apply the modifier. Shift the iris, apply modifier. Because we done modeling. The front nails, apply modifier. Let's see the mid. We're done working with those. Probably a bit of sculpting will work. But we're done with that. Apply modifier. These ones. Apply that modifier. I normally like using shade flats to see those polygons. Just a personal preference for now. So same process, and in Blender you can just select everything and just apply everything at once. But I'm just gonna do it this way. Bighorn, let's see. Yeah, let's apply that guy. Shade flat. Let's see the high poly. So every single thing doesn't have a modifier now. Now there's a thing called parenting. Parenting works like it's basically creating these accessory objects as children of the body mesh. So whenever you move, as you see, these stay behind. Or if we want to pose, when we're posing our creature, this will automatically move where these the mesh moves also. Basically, not like combining them, but parenting. So to do that, it's fairly easy. Click that top nail. Let me just rename this. Mid hand to just say 3. Yeah, this one. And then select the top one, shift select the bottom one, and then click and drag, hold down shift, and then we will parent that to the body, the beast. And if I select the beast and I move, it moves all together. Now before I do that, I want to check something. Let me just undo. Just make sure that I apply the scale for everything. So select everything, Ctrl A, apply scale and rotation. Select our beast object and right click, select origin to geometry, so that the center line will be over here, not down there at the bottom. So you're going to do the same process. Select that, select this, hold on shift, and then just print everything. Give it some time to calculate, and yeah, now it's done. And then let's just save this file. Like that. And yeah, so everything is a bit cleaned up. Probably move this to the new collection. Select everything, press M, new collection, and let's see. So Reese, my spelling is whack, guys. Sorry about that. So everything is under this folder, accessories, and they're all parented under this object. So whenever you move, you can move them separately, but then whenever you move this object, you should move with them wherever it goes. Now everything is a bit cleaner. We have our main, and there's a backup, so reference. Just move it on a backup, and yeah, so that's it for this. Let me just hide this completely. So yeah, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.